Question 1. Which cheeky blue engine is number 1? A. Percy. B. Thomas. C. Henry. Well done!
Thomas puffed happily across the island.
Question 2. Which fine scarlet engine has a brass dome? A. James. B. Emily. C. Gordon. Well done!
James steamed proudly across the countryside. "Brightest and best, brightest and best," he hummed happily to himself.
Question 3. Who is the happy green engine with the number 6 on his side? A. Toby. B. Edward. C. Percy. Well done!
Percy practiced loud whistling. He blew louder and louder and louder. At last he was ready to surprise Harry and Bert.
Question 4. Which long, fast engine has the number 3 on his side? A. Harold. B. Henry. C. Edward. Well done!
Henry hauled trucks in the forest. He loved the peace and quiet, but he didn't see many people. Sometimes working in the forest could be very lonely.
Question 5. Who is the fastest and most powerful engine in the steam team? A. Gordon. B. Percy. C. Thomas. Well done!
Gordon spent the next day having his pistons polished, his axles greased and his wheels well and truly oiled. At last he didn't make any more funny noises. Gordon was as good as new.
Question 6. Which old-fashioned engine has a coach called Henrietta? A. James. B. Emily. C. Toby. Well done!
Thomas arrived at Maithwaite and Toby was very happy to see him. "The villagers will be delighted with this tree," Toby said. "I'm glad you have your snowplough. I can't clear the snowdrifts by myself."
Question 7. Which older engine calms the other trains down? A. Edward. B. Henry. C. Gordon. Well done!
"The tree's to have lights and stand in the middle of the village," said Edward. "Make sure you get it to Toby safely." "I will," said Thomas.
Question 8. Which girl engine is a bossy but clever and cheerful character? A. Annie. B. Emily. C. Mavis. Well done!
"Those be dark clouds, matey," whistled Thomas. "There be a fierce storm on the way, Cap'n," peeped Percy. Emily was cross. "It's no nice to copy the way others speak. You hurt Salty's feelings."
Question 9. Which young female diesel engine is full of ideas? A. Mavis. B. Emily. C. Clarabelle. Well done!
Even Mavis was excited by the new fuel. "Oh my," she said. Thomas was feeling left out.
Question 10. Which friend of Thomas flies around the Isle of Sodor? A. James, B. Henry, C. Harold. Well done!
Pegasus is stuck in a ditch. If he doesn't get to the vicar's fete, the children will be disappointed. You must rescue him at once. All set and ready for action, reported Harold.
Question 11. Which engine is always ready to stir up trouble? A. Diesel, B. Thomas, C. Edward. Well done!
You steamies are old and clapped out, he sneered. When the Fat Controller realises this, you'll all be scrapped.
Question 12. Who is the friendly red bus? A. Bertie, B. James, C. Mavis. Well done!
Bertie pulled up beside the tuba player. "Can you take me to the party?" he asked. "I'll take you as far as I can," said Bertie.